Simplify. X to the 2/5 times x to the negative 1/5. So what do we see here? Well, I notice that we've got some exponents. And these different exponents, these different powers of x are being multiplied together. Now the key there is that they are both powers of x. And so if you have the same base, you can multiply these different powers of a together, or in this case x, into a single power by adding the exponents. So what do we have? Well, we've got an exponent of 2/5 plus an exponent of negative 1/5. So 1/5 plus negative 1/5. Depending on our comfort level, we could just write that as 2/5 minus 1/5. 2 of something minus 1 of something should just be 1 of something. But if we're not there, that's okay. We can always just fall back on the formula for adding fractions. A very good formula to know. So in this case, we've got 2/5 plus negative 1/5, 2 times 5, a times d, plus b times the c, all over, and then we multiply the two denominators together. So 2 times 5 is 10. 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. And 5 times 5 on the bottom is 25. 10 plus negative 5, that's the same as 10 minus 5. So we have 5 over 25. And we can actually rewrite the top as 5 times 1. Anything can be written as itself times 1. But if we rewrite the 25 as 5 times 5, oh, we've got a common factor. We can cancel them out. And so after that sort of work, we once again see that this can simplify to 1/5. Okay. Now, depending on our situation, we could easily leave it like that, or we could remember that anything to the power of 1 over some integer is just the nth root. So another way to write this would be the 5th root of x. And that's another perfectly acceptable answer. It really depends on the context.